Howdy everyone, Trevor here. I just wanted to relay to you some fun facts that I learned about commercial flights. Those are the flights that are going about 500 miles an hour. When they get up to 30 or 40,000 feet, they take 5. No, but when they get up to 30 or 40,000 feet, they level out, and then you're on your way until you have to land, right? I mean, they start giving you drinks, the seatbelt light turns off, you know, you wouldn't expect anything but, you know, a little bit of turn up and down, maybe to avoid some weather or something. But supposedly, when an airplane is traveling, the airplane pilot must make a descending course correction of 2,788.71 feet per minute. Per minute. That's almost 3,000 feet per minute that they have to point the nose of the plane down. Because if they don't point the nose of the plane down, let's see here, there's the purple. This is the regular course. Traveling the curve of the earth, which is 0.8 miles squared. Well, miles squared times 0.8. So if they're doing that almost 3,000 descent course correction, they'll be traveling this purple line. But if you don't feel while you're in a plane, if you don't feel the nose tip down and you go 3,000 feet down every minute, you might as well be traveling in this straight plane or line in the air. But let's say the earth is curved, because that's what everybody tells us. If you travel for an hour, 1 hour, without a course correction, you'd end up 31 miles above 30,000 feet, or your original level off point, cruising altitude. That's 164,041 feet. I've probably flown almost 10 times, and not just local, Germany, Israel. I've been across the seas. Granted, I wasn't looking to feel these things or not feel these things, but I feel like if we're leveled off and I can go walk to the bathroom, I'm not going to have to run back there real quick before the pilot goes, oh, here goes 3,000 feet as we're flying. And, you know, those types of things never happen. I don't think a stewardess can walk down the aisles of an airplane with one of those big old heavy carts if they're pointing down 3,000 feet. Or maybe that's why they start at first class, so they can roll them uphill, right? Right, that's probably what it is. They're not pulling on those carts. Because if they're not pulling on those carts or pushing on those carts, the plane's level. The plane's level, it's a plane, it's traveling on a plane, a flat area in the air. I don't see any evidence that refutes this information. And if this information is correct, then we're not traversing in a plane the distance they tell us we are. We're traversing a different type of distance, or a different level, if you were. So here's some facts. Check them out if you want. Question them, ask me questions, but don't just take things at face value. It'll lead you into bad places.